Hold on, baby. There we go. Good stuff, right? Hold on, baby. I got you one too. Everybody gets some cucumber. Yeah. Hey, be nice. Here we go. Look. See, something we found out is that this little girl loves cucumbers too. Right? Hold on. So good, right? We got a lot more where that come from. Yeah. Wish you quit scratching your head so much on stuff. So we can see how much white hair you've got there. Friends, so we're gonna throw together some monkey bread, but it's gonna have a little twist because it's the best we can do. So anyways, we're gonna throw together some monkey bread. I'm gonna melt this half a stick of butter here in the microwave really quickly. So this is just something that, I mean, monkey bread's typically easy for me. I just take some sugar, cinnamon, roll my dough in it, bake it, and then put butter. I don't even remember how to make it. Okay, it's been a while. But it's super simple. It's one of them things you can't really mess up, usually. But we're just kind of throwing something together here. I figured we'd record it because it could get exciting around here. So we got our, I'll try to write out a recipe if it's worth writing. You know how it is sometimes. Got our butter. Melty, but not really. It's just soft. And we got a 10 count of these biscuits. And I'm going to just do the mini monkey bread because everything's cute when it's mini. And it'll just be easier for the kids just to grab and go. And then we got this parchment paper liners. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It looks a little yellow and it's not wanting to focus right. Maybe the light in here is messing with it. I don't know. But we're going to put some cinnamon in here. No, we don't have cinnamon. That's part of our dilemma. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of vanilla here. But like I said, we don't have cinnamon. So we're going to use this. Yes, we are. I'm sure it can't hurt. And it's not going to taste like that word because it's not going to have any of that in that. Pumpkin spice is just a bunch of spices. Oh, goodness gracious, girl. What is it? Cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and clove. Which is, fun fact, this bad boy right here is why I don't like a lot of pumpkin stuff, because it's got way too much of this in it. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon here. The main ingredient in this is supposed to be cinnamon. And since I don't really like this, I don't know why I have it. I guess typically I will just use cinnamon when recipes call for that. Honestly, don't know why I own it. Don't know. We're going to do a pinch of salt here. About 1/4 of a cup of sugar. And just get this all mixed together. Here, just a paste. Well, like I said, I don't know, we don't usually do this. We usually do dry mix for our monkey bread, but I just wanted to change it up a little bit this time, especially since I'm just doing mini ones. I wanted to be able to, I don't know, make it more flavorful. I don't know, honestly, it's just something I decided to do. I'm gonna take these biscuits here, and I didn't feel like going and finding a cutting board or anything in there, so we're just going to use this plate because it's fine. It worked good. And then we're going to cut these into 4s. Just toss them in there. Now, we're going to try to get all of these in this butter mixture. And I didn't feel like dirtying up a spatula or anything, so we just kept using the same fork. Alright, that looks good enough. Now we're just going to divide it up into these 6 muffin tins. I still had one more thing of biscuits, so I thought about doing a double, but 1, I don't know how this is going to taste, and 2, I really wanted to use those for something else that I think the kids would enjoy. So, that's what we're going to do. This looks like a lot of the sauce. It's fine. Trying to get some in all of them, and then there's any we need. We got 1 piece of biscuit here. Alright. Now we're going to put them in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes, 12 minutes. We're going to check them and then we'll go from there. Can't leave you without letting you know that these was delicious. I would even go as far as saying better than normal monkey bread. So thank you guys for watching. As always, remember to show grace, be content, and live blessed. Bye, friends.